Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to trim videos in CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to cut your clips into more clips, or you can cut them and then delete the other half. So, let's get started by opening CapCut, making a new project, opening the project, and then adding your very first clip. So, once you have your clip, just tap on it. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, there's a little icon that says split. So just aim your bar at any point and then tap on split, and it should split the two clips. And if you don't want this clip anymore, you can just delete it, or you can undo, split on this, delete that, undo, split on this. You can also split multiple parts. And after splitting, you can tap on these white boxes to add transitions. So just tap on that, and if you play it, it's gonna have a transition. And I hope this video helped. It's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.